Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Stay tuned to learn how easy it is to create a skincare routine with just a few products. Build a routine that is easy to follow and to be consistent at. TayJae'z Beauty Co has all the products you need for any skin type. Join our community. What you'll learn in this video: the correct order to use your products, how to choose the right products for your skin type, and the essentials for a morning and nighttime routine. TayJae'z Beauty Co offers all natural skincare products designed to nourish and protect your skin. TayJae'z Beauty Co will be relaunching soon. Join the email crew to be the first to know the launch date, get discounts, early access, and so much more. Visit us at www.tayjae'zbeautyco.com and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Ever wonder what the right skincare routine looks like? Whether you're new to skincare or just trying to get it right, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, effective skincare routine to keep your skin healthy, glowing, and radiant. Let's dive in. Before starting your routine, it's crucial to know your skin type. Here's how to check. What do you observe about your face? Do you always look shiny? Does your face look dry, flaky? Do you notice oily spots on your forehead, nose, chin, but dry cheeks? Or do you experience breakouts whenever you put something on your face? Once you have this answered, look for products that caters to your skin type. Your morning routine preps your skin for the day. Follow these steps. Step 1. Clean your skin with a cleanser for your skin type. Step 2. Balance your skin and prep for hydration with a toner. Step 3. Choose a facial serum that serves the area or issue you are trying to correct. Hydrating, brightening, blemish removing, etc. Step 4. Moisturizer time. Choose a moisturizer that is specific to your skin type. Check the ingredients. See if it is oil-based or water-based. This is important based on the skin type you have. This step is essential, vital, crucial. No ifs, ands, or buts. You must use a sunscreen daily, regardless if it is cloudy outside or you are staying indoors. Utilizing an SPF of 30 or higher is best. And will the premature wrinkles and dull skin look? Your future face will thank you. Now let's touch on the nighttime routine. There are a few extra steps in your nighttime routine depending on your day. Some feel it isn't necessary to have a different routine at nighttime if your morning routine is working. That is an argument for another time, another video. But consider looking into double cleansing, especially if you wear makeup, adding an eye cream if you experience waking up to puffiness or dark circles. Also, don't forget about your lips. Adding a lip scrub and lip moisturizer before bedtime is very beneficial. Here are some additional tips for you. Want more skincare tips? Hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Comment below your skin type or your favorite product. Also, if you are looking for new products for your routine, check us out at TayJae'zbeautyco.com. Join the email crew to know when we drop the relaunch date.